Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to convert an array into a single string, like combining these all elements to a single string like that. Let's go ahead and do that. Firstly, we can have a separator like John hyphen Michael hyphen Adam hyphen Fallon like that. How we can do that? Here I will say new let and then str, that's my variable name for string, and I will set this equals to, now we have to use this array variable name. Here it is string array and we have to say dot joined, right? Now inside this we can pass in a separator like hyphen. Now let's go ahead and print this out. Print str. Alright, you can see we have a string and all of these are combined to a single string but separated with the hyphen. Now what if we remove this hyphen and put a space here? Now you can see we have spaces as a separator. Okay, now the second way, I will just comment this out. Instead, let's say let str is equals to, again we have to say this array variable name string array. Again we have to say this array variable name which is string array. Now we have to say dot description. Okay, we have to print this out, and let's go ahead and see what will happen. It should give us an output like this, but this is a string. Okay, this is a string, not an array. Now for example, how we can identify this is a string? We can say type of str, then we can print this. You can see it is a string. Okay, that's it for this lecture, and I will see in the next lecture. Thank you.